If you want to hard reset your Motorola Moto G87 by using the recovery mode, then first of all, of course, we need to go to the recovery mode. In order to do that, first we need to power off our phone. So I'm going to use the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. And then we can tap on power off in order to shut down the phone. And then wait for the phone to completely turn off. Once that happens, you can use the power button and volume down button. You will have to press and hold both of these buttons at once until you will see the fast boot mode. So just keep holding both of these buttons until you see this. And once we have this, you can use volume buttons in order to navigate in this mode. And you're looking for the recovery mode. Once you have it visible, you can press the power button to confirm. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds and your phone is going to reboot, and soon you will see the no command screen. So let's wait for that. And there we go. Now once you see this, you want to press and hold the power button. And once you hold the power button, you want to press the volume up button as well. So press and hold power and then press volume up. And now we are in the recovery mode. Here we can navigate once again by using volume buttons. So you want to choose the wipe data / factory reset option and confirm with the power button. Then over here, go to factory data reset in order to confirm. And then you should be able to hard reset your phone. In case you go back to this main menu of Android recovery, you need to choose reboot system now. So just confirm by pressing the power button, your phone is going to restart and you will be back in the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.